Make the mistake of trying to fall into content strategies or content niches that is not within what you can do, you tend to get lost a little bit. Nobody say don't change your niche. Nobody say don't try to find what's working for you. Anything that you feel that is working for you, go with it. That's my advice. Go with it. Don't say because my content is lifestyle, I'm gonna die with lifestyle. You can't die with lifestyle. If lifestyle is not working for you, try to find another strategy on how you can definitely get those watch hours. At the later stage, you can definitely figure out what your niche is. But don't come on YouTube and be specific of a niche. I'm not saying that it's wrong that coming on YouTube and having a niche is a problem. No, if you know what your niche is, if that's what you're doing every single day, if that's how things are working out for you, definitely thumbs up for that. Nobody, don't let anybody to motivate you. But what I want to say is that when you start YouTube, don't have a particular thing that you are on. You do want your channel obviously to have a foundation that okay, my channel is about this, about that. You don't want people just come and then figure out what your channel is about. No, it has to have a head start. You want it to be a scenario. Someone can just look at your banner, or someone can go into description and, or even if they don't, they kind of watch your video and then they understand. Okay, maybe she shares about this, maybe he shares about this. That's how simple you want it to be. You don't want to be all over the place. Today you're doing content about this. Tomorrow is money making. Tomorrow is this. Tomorrow is that. No, you don't want to do that. That's not it. But don't give up on yourself. Don't feel demotivated just because other people are getting subscribers and you are not. You just need to get the things correct. You just need to be consistent. You just need to be engaging. You just need to be yourself, okay? Be yourself always. I'm sorry for doing that, but be yourself every single day. Okay? Don't be a different person. I keep on repeating this in all my videos. Don't try to be a different person because when you become a different person, you give a different impression towards people, and people might not appreciate you for that person. But when you're genuine, I don't think anybody will not fall in love with someone that is genuine, with someone that is real, with someone that is just being who they are in person and in general, right? So gaining subscribers, you have to use strategy. You have to use method. You want to create content people are searching for. You want to create content that if I do look for it, I might just find it in the search bar. And you might be part of those that someone is actually searching for. But if you're just creating content with no moral story, with no history, with no geography, with no, I don't mean literary subjects, but what I'm trying to make you understand is that you can't just be creating content because content is creating. Like, how some people say everything is content. Yes, even me doing this is content. You get me? But try to use strategy when making the content. Try to give it a moral story. Make someone ask why not, and someone needs to watch up until the end. It benefits you. And even if someone watched up until like the first half, trust me, that is a bonus because it's not easy these days, but YouTube has really made our lives so much easier when it comes to this platform. We just need to grab it with both our hands. And I know it doesn't seem so easy as I'm saying it, but trust me, when you hit that milestone, look back and say, wow, at first I was giving up on myself, but look where I am today. So that's the motivation. Push yourself. Say, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna be able to do this. Gaining 1,000 subscribers might sound like it's hard, but definitely it's not. Okay, if I could do it, you can do it. If I'm still doing it, you can definitely do it. Don't let anyone tell you you can't do it. You can do this. Okay? Like I said, post consistently. Consistently doesn't need to be every day. Consistent can be twice a week, thrice a week, even 2 times a week. You don't want to post once a week because definitely now you was just throwing everything out the door. Because when you do that, like, come on, you haven't even gained the audience yet. Okay, you want to try to post every single day. You want to interact with people's posts. Someone posts, go to that channel, okay, interact, watch, search, use the app according to, okay, be yourself, be real, okay, believe in yourself. You are gonna do this, okay, you can do this, okay, because all these creators that you see that are popping up, people that are actually big creators, have 1 million subscribers, 20 million subscribers, they worked to it, okay, they didn't just become the biggest YouTubers around. No, they did not. Okay, they worked for it, and you can too. Okay, don't give up on yourself, hey guys. So that's it for today. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and definitely we can do this tomorrow. Okay, bye.